Welcome to our Trigno Link series. In this video, we will cover how you can use your Jamar Hand Dynamometer through Trigno Link. This video will highlight the hardware and software requirements to use the Jamar Dynamometer with Trigno Link and Trigno Discover. For a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Trigno Link or Trigno Discover, please watch our Getting Started videos. The links for these videos can be found in the description below. This section will cover the hardware and software required for connecting your Jamar Dynamometer to the Trigno Link. Ensure your Trigno base station or Trigno light is connected to your PC. Next, connect your Trigno Link to the PC with the supplied USB cable. Open Trigno Discover. Once open, pair an Avanti-style sensor to Discover and open the Trigno Link tab. You are now ready to pair your Jamar Dynamometer. This section will cover how to connect your Jamar Dynamometer to your Trigno Link. To power on your Jamar Dynamometer, tap the On/Off button. The Jamar display will turn on and the device will beep. When your Jamar Dynamometer is successfully paired, the digital display screen will say App. To power the device off, press and hold the On/Off button. Once your Jamar Dynamometer is powered on, navigate to the Trigno Link Scan Settings menu. Jamar Dynamometers can only communicate with the Trigno Link through Bluetooth mode. Choose Bluetooth mode and ensure that Dynamometer is selected before scanning for sensors. When pairing is complete, the Jamar Dynamometer will appear within the Trigno Link control utility. You can rename the Jamar Hand Dynamometer by selecting here. This section will go over how to collect Jamar Dynamometer data within Discover. To begin data collection, select Start Collection. Here, above your EMG data, you will find all the data coming in from your Trigno Link. During data collection, you can close the large number display to hide the data from your participant by selecting Close. You can open this again by selecting Open. You can also pop out the large number display to move on to another window. To get it back, select here. You can end the data collection session by selecting the Stop button. If you would like to learn about how you can review and export your data in Trigno Discover, please watch our Trigno Link Getting Started video. For additional information and assistance, please visit delsis.com/support and be sure to connect with us on our socials.